Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dog brush is probably one of the most important tools you can have if you own a double-coated dog, because it helps remove dead fur, prevents matting, and keeps your canine companion looking and feeling their best. Choosing the right brush can make a huge difference in your dog's comfort and the overall grooming experience, and in this video, we will explore the top contenders to help you find the perfect match for your furry friend. Number 5. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Brush. Say goodbye to tangled fur and hello to a shiny, healthy coat. It effortlessly removes loose hair, mats, and debris, leaving your pet feeling comfortable and looking their best. Cleaning up after grooming has never been easier. With a simple push of a button, you can retract the bristles and remove all the collected fur in seconds. This brush is your secret weapon against excessive shedding. The angled bristles gently detangle and remove loose fur, promoting a healthier coat with regular use. Grooming your pet should be comfortable for both of you. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue, allowing for longer grooming sessions without strain. Made with soft, fine bristles, it's gentle on your pet's skin, regardless of their fur type. It's effective on both long and short-haired pets. What we like? This brush boasts a self-cleaning feature, making post-grooming cleanup a breeze. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during long sessions. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This brush is 10x more comfortable for my cat, while still pulling a decent amount of shed hair. Cleaning it is amazing, just press the button, pull the pad of hair off, and it does not fill up until after nearly a full session of brushing. This brush is a game changer and it comes to a heavily shedding dog. You brush and then push the button and the brush retracts and you are left with the dog hair to throw out. So much easier than trying to remove dog hair from the regular dog brushes. One of the standout features of this brush is the ability to easily push up the comb, allowing the accumulated fur to come off effortlessly. No more painstakingly picking out tangled fur from the bristles. It's a true time saver and a blessing for my sanity. Number 4. Maxpower Planet Pet Rake. It features a dual-sided design for tackling different grooming needs. Use one side for stubborn mats, and the other to remove loose fur and shed hair. This grooming rake is perfect for pets with long, wiry, or double coats. It's not recommended for short-haired breeds. It gently removes loose hair, tangles, and dirt, leaving your pet's coat clean and healthy. It's great for pets with thick fur. The lightweight, comfortable, non-slip handle makes grooming easier and more enjoyable for both you and your pet. Simply glide it along your pet's fur using minimal pressure. Remember to use short, gentle strokes, and let it do the work. This tool helps to significantly reduce shedding, keeping your home cleaner and your pet looking their best. What we like? This grooming rake features a dual-sided design to tackle mats and shed fur efficiently. Its comfortable, non-slip handle makes grooming easier on your hands. If your pet has a thick double coat and needs thorough de-shedding, this is the tool for you. What people say. The picture is after running through my cat's fur 2 times. She loves it and tries to run her head against it. Great quality, easily remove the hair and keep brushing. It looks so cute too, and the size is good because it helps groom the dog easier. It's pretty easy to clean. Definitely helps with matting. It does an excellent job of getting my golden lab's loose hair off. The hair comes off very easily from the brush. The design works very well. Number 3. SleekEZ Cat Brush. It's the best patented grooming brush for cats, small dogs, and rabbits. This versatile tool is perfect for kittens and cats of all hair lengths. Cleaning up after grooming is a breeze. It easily removes hair and fur from carpets, furniture, and more. This brush works wonders on both long and short-haired cats. It's also great as a de-shedding tool and for removing undercoats. Grooming your pet should be a positive experience. It's designed to be gentle and effective, making grooming time enjoyable for both you and your cat. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a cat lover? This is a must-have for any cat grooming kit. It's the perfect addition to any cat owner's essentials. What we like? This patented brush is renowned for its effectiveness on various coat types. Cleaning it is quick and simple. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient grooming solution for your cat, this is a top contender. What people say. This worked exceptionally well on all of them, no need to carry around 2 to 3 different brushes anymore. The brush glides effortlessly through my dog's coat, and I no longer dread grooming sessions. Unlike other brushes that tug and pull at my dog's fur, the SleekEZ is gentle yet effective, removing loose strands without causing any discomfort to my furry friend. After each grooming session, I am amazed at how much loose fur it collects, leaving my dog's coat looking fresh and tidy. I was particularly relieved to notice that there was no leftover fur clinging to her coat, which has always been a common issue with other brushes I've used. Number 2. Poodle Fur Rake. Say goodbye to matted fur. This innovative grooming tool is designed to gently remove knots and tangles from your pet's coat, leaving them feeling comfortable and looking their best. Recommended by professionals and pet owners alike, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for keeping your furry friend looking their best. It's easy to use and highly effective. It's specially designed to tackle long and thick fur. It gently and effectively removes mats and tangles, leaving your pet's coat smooth and shiny. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing slips and accidents. It even has a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. The extra-long stainless steel blades reach deep into the coat to quickly and easily break up even the most stubborn knots and mats. It's perfect for undercoat brushing. Made with high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel and durable rubber, it's built to last. It can handle all your pet grooming needs, whether it's a dog, cat, horse, or rabbit. What we like. This rake's long blades reach deep into the undercoat to tackle tough mats and tangles. The easy grip handle ensures a comfortable and safe grooming experience. If your pet has severely matted fur, this is the tool to choose. What people say. This comb eliminated mats like butter and helps release all of his shed before it can become an issue. The long 2.5-inch steel safety blades are gentle yet effective, easily gliding through her coat without causing any discomfort. It quickly removes knots and mats, making grooming a breeze. It works wonders on her thick curls and helps detangle without causing discomfort. It's especially effective for dematting, which has always been a struggle with other brushes. Number 1. Hertzko Dog Brush. Say hello to effortless grooming. It gently removes loose hair and mats, leaving your pet's coat looking and feeling its best. This brush features soft, rounded bristles. It's safe for even the most delicate areas, like your pet's face and paws. It's a massage tool too. Brushing stimulates blood circulation, leaving your pet's coat shiny and healthy. The ergonomic handle makes brushing comfortable, even during long sessions. No more hand or wrist strain. Whether your pet has long or short hair, this brush works wonders. It's suitable for dogs, cats, and even rabbits. What we like. This soft bristled brush is gentle on your pet's skin, making it ideal for sensitive areas. The comfortable handle reduces hand fatigue. If you prioritize a gentle and comfortable grooming experience for your pet, this is a great option. What people say. Worked great. Took all of what little loose hair she has off without hurting her skin. It's easy to use and clean. It removes small mats. It gives a nice brush for the dog in smoothing the hair down. I have arthritis in my hands and it is wide enough that I can easily grip it. My dog likes the massage effect of the rubber knobs, and it helps loosen mats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.